Hello friends, welcome to Alphabetical Cubble class from My Exam Coaching. So when we talk about Alphabetical Cubble, you may be wondering what is this Alphabetical Cubble. Alphabetical Cubble is nothing but alphabet series. Okay, in every competitive exams, generally these type of questions are asked. What type of questions? What questions based on the different positions of letters of 26 letters of English alphabet. Okay, suddenly if you ask your friend, what is 17th letter in English alphabet, you need time to answer the question because you have to count from A, B, C, D like that and what falls on 17th. Suddenly if I ask you what is 21st letter in English alphabet, again you have to count from A, B, C, D like that and we will find out what is 21st letter. But the question comes like this also in the reverse order. If I ask you what is the 13th letter from the last end, then we will start counting from Z, Z, Y, X like that and we will see what is the 13th letter from the last end. So you can find out because we have only 26 letters in the English alphabet and starting from A go up to Z, write all 26 letters and suddenly if the question comes what is 22nd letter, you can count from A 1, 2, 3 like that and you can find out what is 22nd letter, but it takes a lot of time. So there is a shortcut method friends to find out what is the particular letter and which falls on which position. All these things are found out by a small technique that we have a code word that we are going to learn today. Before that, I request all of you, before going to the exam, always remember the English alphabet in the forward order as well as in the reverse order. For example, if I ask you to say it from A to Z, you have to say it like this: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This everybody knows. But if I ask you to count it in the reverse order, maximum people does not do it. You have to learn that like Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, N, M, L, K, J, A, H, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. This order you have to learn. Then it is easy for you to find out which number or which letter falls on which number, that is place. Okay, so what are the codes? I am writing a code here, Ijoti. I am writing a code here, Ijoti. What is Ijoti? Ijoti is the 5th letter and J is the 10th letter, O is the 15th letter, T is the 20th letter and Y is the 25th letter. Now you have to just remember what is Ijoti. If you remember Ijoti, now again I will ask you what is the 17th letter. We know 15th is O. So 16 and 17, O, P, Q. You need not to count it from A, E. Okay, you need not to count it from A, B, C, D up to 17, you need not to count. I ask you what is 21st letter. We know from this code Ijoti, T is 20th. So after T what comes? That will be 21st. What will be the 9th letter? What comes before J? That will be the 9th because we know 10th letter is J. So what is the code word for in the forward order? Forward order it is Ijoti. Okay, so by learning Ijoti you can find out E stands for 5, J stands for 10, O stands for 15, T stands for 20 and Y stands for 25th. Accordingly you can find out. If I ask you what is 23rd letter, either you can start after 20 or you can find it 2 before Y. That will be the 23rd. Similarly, in the reverse order when you say Z, Y, X, W, V, T, S, R, Q, P, O, N, M, L, K, J, A, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. In that also we have a code that is called VQLGB. That is called VQLGB. Or if you want, I'll write it in the reverse order. VQLGB. So when I write VQLGB, from Z, V will be the 5th, Q will be the 10th, L will be the 15th, G will be the 20th and B will be the 25th letter. So to use it, you have to learn it in the reverse order. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, Z, Y, X, W, V, T, S, R, Q, P, O, N, M, L, K, J, A, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. Okay students, so this is one of the very important trick for solving questions related to alphabetical series or alphabetical cubble. We'll meet again with more and more tricks like this. Thanks for watching. All the very best. Bye bye. Take care.